Hey guys, so today I'm going to be introducing the Allo Foodsafe Borosilicate Glass Containers with colorful lid that I received from Allo Innovare. These are made from 100% borosilicate glass, which means they are strong, safe and BPA-free. They don't release any chemicals and don't even absorb stain or smells. And do you know what the best part is? They are microwave safe, means you can heat your food directly without worrying about any toxins or damage. They are also oven safe up to 450 degrees Celsius, which means you can bake pasta, lasagna directly into them. And yes, they are airtight and freezer safe, so your food stays fresh and the glass won't even crack in extreme cold. Also, you can take them directly from freezer to microwave, which is super convenient. I mean, these containers are multi-purpose, perfect for fruits, leftover, meal preparation, baking or even storage. And guess what? They are also dishwasher safe and very easy to clean. Adding to that, the pastel lid gives them a modern premium look. So overall, if you're looking for safe, stylish and durable glass containers, this set is definitely worth checking out.